Hey, this is AJ. This was my fantastic trip out to Zion National Park. I hope you enjoy this experience. This was one of the best hikes I have ever done. So here I am, climbing up Angel's Landing at Zion National Park. I was so lucky. I ran across a group of 3 people. We struck up a conversation. They asked me where I was going. I said I was going to Scout's Landing, which is below this, because I couldn't get the permit for Angel's Landing. And they said, we have an extra one. And that's how I got on the Scouts or Angel's Landing. Definitely not for the faint of heart. The drop here is pretty deep. This is pretty stable where I am right now, so having the phone on video is fine. This chain here certainly makes life a lot easier. You can see the drop. It's kind of hard to get an idea of really how far down it is, but I'll show you that. So, hiking this other section here of Angel's Landing. It had another name I read. I don't remember what the original name was for it. Just some really gorgeous scenery and the rock formations here. It's really just amazing. There's that drop. I'm not afraid of heights. I never have been. So, I'm glad, clearly. Look way up there with those 2 people. That's where we're going. So I made it to the top of Angel's Landing, and it was hard, you know, and some fear did set in because it's quite the drop, 2,500 feet down from where I'm at now, according to all hike, and there's the drop. It's so amazingly beautiful here. There's no words that can describe it. I mean, the Grand Canyon's amazing, but the carved sculptures of this stone, there's just nothing like it I've ever seen. It's just so unique and spectacular. To be able to be here is a gift. For it, you know. So glad I met those people that fate put them in my life, and I got to get up here. It's funny how life works. Which started off as a day down in the Narrows, ended up putting me up at the top of Angel's Landing, and that's certainly 100% was fate. And I've met some great people over the last 24 hours here, some just wonderful people. So if anybody ever gets up to this part of the country, I certainly recommend to make the hike up to Angel's Landing. You certainly won't regret it. Although it's a little high. All right. There's the destination. It's up there. certainly a lot more difficult than going up. Man, having these chains here at these posts. I don't think I would be obviously doing this hike without these chains. It's been an amazing hike though. It's an amazing hike. Definitely the highlight of my day by far, and it's right up there with some of the most awesome things I've ever done. So I came fully equipped today. I brought all the water, sandwiches, some healthy snacks, fruits, a Diet Coke. This is steep right here. One thing I've learned is it's just better not to look over to the side. Hey. Yeah, there's a little bit to go. Come on over. Good job. This is like so awesome being in these little spots like this, you know? So cool. You giving me the right of way? Thank you so much. Kind of tight squeezing in here, right? Wait till you get to the top. Oh yeah. Yeah. I thought coming back down was going to be a lot harder than it actually is.
Okay, good
Yeah.
to know.
Yeah.
Happy trail.
You too. Of course I say that until it gets to this really steep part and I'm like, oh no! Oh man, no Spider-Man poses on this hike. although that was an impromptu before. So I don't know if you can see way out there, there's a couple people, and then down there's some people. It's ultimately the way back. And then way up there's another trail. That's the West Loop Trail, which I'm not going to do today. My friend the chain. Take a look at this tree. Looks like it down. Some wood on this tree. It's like it's so cool. Look at that. See here's a little overlook. I guess there's a path down there, but that's not a path that I'm going on. No chains. I'm not doing it. Hey, this is AJ. I just wanted to thank you guys for watching my video at Zion National Park. Hey, remember that the destination is out there. It's not in your house. It's not in your office. It's in the great outdoors. So this is AJ signing out. Make it a great day, and thanks for watching my video.